Trying to capture a family memory on a smartphone only to realize your kids have taken 400 blurry selfies, or you're worried about them dropping your expensive phone just to get the shot. That is why this FHD 1080p digital point and shoot camera is such a breath of fresh air. It's designed to be the perfect first real camera that's tough, easy to use, and most importantly, actually takes great photos. What makes this little camera stand out is that it isn't just a toy. It captures full HD 1080p video and up to 44MP photos, giving kids and beginners a real sense of photography. The 16x digital zoom lets them get up close to birds or distant landmarks without having to move a muscle, and the anti-shake feature is a total lifesaver for younger photographers who haven't quite mastered the steady hand technique yet. It's compact enough to slide into a pocket, making it the ultimate travel companion for school trips or family vacations. This isn't just about the camera, either. It's a complete, ready-to-go kit. It comes with a 32GB memory card included, so they can start snapping thousands of photos the second they open the box. With features like smile detection and face recognition, it basically does the hard work for them, ensuring every smile is captured clearly. It's a fantastic way to get them off their screens and looking at the world through a new lens. Click the link below for the best price and watch their creativity take off.